So I'm at the Market 99 store in Thane, which being my favorite store, to show you guys what this place has to offer. The Market 99 store that I visited is at Koram Mall, Thane, and this was my first time visiting the Thane store. I've previously been to the Market City Kurla store quite a few times and I absolutely love the store. The Market 99 store is mainly known for its inexpensive home decor items, home related supplies and other items include toys, stationery, food items and much more. The prices begin from as cheap as Rs 19 and all the prices end by 9 and hence the name Market 99. The home decor and everything related to home collection is pretty mind-blowing at Market 99. The variety, prices, quality is great and there's something for every place at your home for you to buy. From pretty lanterns, stunning mirrors, cup and coffee mug, wall decor, bathroom related things, you name it, the store has it. There are some products and items that are a bit expensive but they're so pretty and well made, so I think it's worth it. I was pretty impressed with the toys and game section at the store, and there was plenty of varieties of amazing and different games that they had to offer. There was this huge aisle dedicated to soft toys and it was all so cute. And the stationery collection over there was great. There were diaries, planners, notebooks, pens, colors and all the things that is needed as a necessity were all available at the store. Coming to an interesting section of food. Yes, they did have some snacks, biscuits and chocolates that couldn't be found at any other local stores that were all present at Market 99. Another interesting section at the store was the beauty section. They did have some well-known brands of moisturizers, shampoos, oils and many more. Other thing that I saw in the store were this cute and affordable hair accessories, pins, clips. They even had keychain, handbags and kitchen related products like pots, pans, spoons, organizers and much more. So here's a mini haul of all the things that I bought from Market 99. First we have this very cute fake plant and it almost looks like a real one, which is a plus point. You can just place a cute little plant as a decor and it instantly elevates the space. There were like so many medium sized plants and I got this one, and this one was for Rs 199 and I think for the price it's amazing and looks fantastic. And to go with the plant I bought this grey pot, as the original pot that it came with was very plain and these two look great together, and it was for 89 rupees and it doesn't look like a plastic pot but rather a ceramic pot with the details it has on it. The next one is this big ornament. It has these golden legs and blue velvet cushion on top and it makes it look so good, and when I saw it I was like I had to buy this because I was in search of something like this since a very long time and I finally found it at Market 99. But I'll be honest, over here this is not the best quality as it's a little wobbly and some joints of the ornament are stuck using tape. Now I knew about this when I bought it but I was like it was just for Rs 999, so I couldn't complain more and it does the job, looks cute, so I got this one. So that was it about the mini haul, and talking about the store, it does have a good variety of items from affordable to somewhat expensive. Overall it's a great store if you're looking for trendy and statement home decor at an affordable price, and you must come to see what the store has to offer to you.